All right, some more breaking news coming in. Nibir, stay with us. Well, the ministers appealed to the protesting organizations to withdraw their agitation and termed Monday's firing incident at Likabali unfortunate. They also urged people not to link the firing incident with the long-standing Assam-Arunachal Pradesh boundary dispute, stressing that the two issues should be treated separately. Listen in.
नामसाई जो डिक्लेरेशन है, प्रोबेबली यू आर अवेयर ऑफ दैट, आप लोग सभी लोग जानता है नामसाई डिक्लेरेशन में क्या था। नामसाई डिक्लेरेशन में और सम इश्यूज रिजॉल्व हो गया था। उसका बाद दोनों स्टेट, असम हो अरुणाचल हो, फ्रॉम बोथ साइड रीजनल कमेटी फॉर्म हुआ था। हमारे सीएम ने असम का रीजनल कमेटी फॉर्म किया था, अरुणाचल का सीएम ने अरुणाचल का कमेटी फॉर्म किया था और जॉइंट कमेटी ने विजिट भी किया है। विजिट करने के बाद बहुत सारा फैसला हो गया और यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर का प्रेजेंस में एमओयू भी हुआ है। तो काफ़ी सारा इश्यूज है, अभी भी 52 अनरिजॉल्व विलेज है, तो ये तो होंगे और प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन, चल रहा है प्रोसेस। इसलिए हमने बोला आज टीएमपी का साथ बातचीत हुई, तो टीएमपी का मांग है कि दोज हु आर कल्प्रिट्स दे शुड बी इमीडिएटली पनिश, दे शुड बी अरेस्टेड। हमने बोला कि हाँ, ये जहाँ पे इंसिडेंट हुआ है ये असम की ज़मीन है, तो यहाँ पे केस रजिस्टर हुआ है।
Right, Nibir, Atul Vora has spoken, but how will the reconciliation between the states happen in terms of the fact that this should not this is not something that should happen again, Nibir?
Absolutely, the ministers from the Assam side have appealed to the protesting organizations to withdraw the agitation, and they have also termed the incident to be extremely unfortunate and urged people not to link it with the firing incident which has happened at the Assam-Arunachal border area. And they have stressed that the two issues need to be treated separately. Why they are saying this? Because it comes from the Namsai declaration which happened earlier between Arunachal and Assam, and wherein a lot of the dispute areas were resolved. This is, however, not part of the disputed area which was resolved during the Namsai declaration. And as such, the ministers have urged to separate these two issues and mostly focus on solving the issue which is at hand right now, and so that the normalcy can be restored in these parts.